Good morning, children, everyone. How are you? Yeah, I hope you are fine, everyone. And for the class 4 children, as we have seen the videos of this lesson, now we are going to read the textual reading. Okay, so this one is the book is different for me. So please, you open lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, animals, how life goes on. Okay, get started. What am I called? I am a baby cow. What am I called? That is calf. Please write calf, children. CALF, calf. I am a baby deer. What am called? What am I called? That is fawn. FOWN. Fawn. FAWN. Please write, children. FAWN. I am a baby frog. What I am called? That is tadpole. Yes, we have seen the this one in the videos also we have seen. Yes, the young frog is converted from the tadpole itself, right? So that is tadpole. What is the spelling? Please don't confuse in the D and B. This should be DO itself. And tadpole, L, after L, E will come. Please write that, children. I am a baby tiger. What am I called? Am I cub? I am cub. Yes, that is cub. C-U-B. Don't write D. Okay. Let us this do, children. Living things do not live forever. They die after completing their lifespan. For life to go on, living things more produce more of their own kind. The process by which living things produce more than own kind is called as reproduction. Yes. The process in which the living things produce more of their own kind is called as reproduction. Very important, children. Please learn this. Lifespan. Lifespan means like everyone has their own lifespan. So if their lifespan is completed, then every living things has to die. Like if you see the lifespan of dog, it will be 3 to 4 years. Or few dogs have 8 to 10 years, like the human beings have 60 to 80 years. So that will be the lifespan. Okay, each one has its own lifespan. Animals reproduce in two different ways. Some give birth to young ones, whereas some lay eggs. So animals reproduce in the two ways. Few are giving birth to their young ones, they are called as mammals. Okay, and those who are laying the eggs, they are called as oviparous. Yes, and those who are mammals are also mammals, like the living things which giving to birth to their young ones, they are also called as viviparous. Okay, later young ones hatch out from these eggs. Humans, cats and cows give birth to their young ones. Frogs, hens, snakes lay eggs, out of which babies hatch. Okay, so here who has given they have given the examples who are the mammals and who are the laying eggs. Okay, so here just see, yes, baby, yes, this one, they are mammals. The chick is coming out of an egg, so it means oviparous. This is baby, the kangaroo has baby. Yes, even the cats have babies. It means they are mammals. Okay, they are giving birth to their young ones. Okay, now listen, children. Some animals give birth to their young ones, mammals. So here we are going to learn about the mammals. Animals which give birth to their young ones and feed them on their milk are called as mammals. Animals which give birth to their young ones and feed them on milk, that is very important, because that milk consists of a lot of antibodies. Okay, they are called as mammals. What is the spelling for mammals, children? MAMMALS. They are most developed among all animals. Their bodies are covered with hair. Some examples of mammals are cats, horses, goats, rabbits and rats. These are examples, but so many examples are there. Those who are giving rise to their young ones, those are called as mammals. Even the humans too are mammals. Yes, even we are also mammals. Though it is not true, it is though bats fly like birds, they are mammals too. It means they are giving birth to their young ones. It means even the bats are also the mammals. Okay, The smallest living mammal is Kitti's hog-nosed bat. The smallest living mammal is Kitti's hog-nosed bat. That is nosed bat itself a smallest living mammal in the world. Okay. Please turn the page, children. So here you can see mammals nourish their babies with milk. Okay. Mammals take care of their young ones. Yes. Yes. Okay, next. This bat has a body about 1 inch long and weighs about 2 grams. Do you know that whales and dolphins, even though look like fish, had hairless bodies, are mammals? Okay, Nana, see, and that which bat they are saying about this bat, na? This bat means Kitti's hog-nosed bat, that is smallest living mammal on the earth. They are saying about that. And it has only 1 inch long, only 1 inch, very small, okay, and about 2 grams, only 2 grams, children. Do you know how much 2 gram? Very less, yes. Do you know that whales and dolphins, even they are also mammals, because they are giving rise to their young ones. They are directly giving to their direct fishes. They are not laying the eggs in the water, okay. Next one. Take care of the young ones. Mammals take care of their babies for a long period of time. Usually, the mother cares for the young. She feeds the babies, cleans them, keeps them warm. She protects from the enemies. As they grow, the mother teaches them to find food and live on their own. See, these are all the mammals. In the all categories of mammals, it is there. They are just, for the young ones, they are just take caring of their young ones. They feeds them, they protects them, and they cleans them. They are giving the milk also, okay. So these are the things which the mammals is differentiate from the others, okay. In certain mammals, the father also helps. He hunts for food and guards the young ones. Human beings are only mammals which look after not their children but their grandchildren too. Yes, even human beings are the only the mammals in which they are taking care of not only children but even the grandchildren also. Yes, because we are social animals and we find that communication is very important in us. Yes, that is the reason we are living in as a family, okay. So even the children are taking care of their grandchildren, and even the grandchildren also, grandfathers also taking care of their grandchildren. Yes, so this is the children. So I hope you have learned so a lot of things, what is reproduction and what are mammals which lay eggs, and few things we will see tomorrow or in the next video, okay children. Even this diagram also we will see tomorrow, okay. Okay children, take care children, bye.